Welcome to Recognizing Cause and Effect, brought to you by Light Up Literature Curriculum. In this lesson, you will learn how to understand why events happen and what results from them. Knowing cause and effect helps you become a stronger reader, a stronger thinker, and a clearer writer. Let's get started. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to determine why events happen and identify their consequences. This skill shows up in stories, nonfiction, science, history, and real life. Let's take a closer look at what cause and effect really mean. Cause and effect refer to the relationship between events and their outcomes. The cause is the reason something happens. The effect is the result. Recognizing this relationship helps you understand the why behind events and connect ideas across a text. Now, let's look at a few techniques you can use to identify cause and effect as you read. These strategies will help you break down ideas and see how events connect. Let's practice together. Read the passage with me. It rained heavily all night, causing the river to overflow. As a result, several streets in the town were flooded and people had to be evacuated from their homes. Now think about the two questions on the screen. What caused the river to overflow? And what was the effect of the river overflowing? Pause the video here and complete your answers. Pause the video here to check your answers. When you're ready, press play to continue. Here are the correct answers. The cause of the river overflowing was the heavy rain. The effect was that several streets were flooded and people had to be evacuated. Great job. Let's move on to the next practice passage. Read this next passage with me. Maria forgot to set her alarm clock last night. Consequently, she overslept and missed the bus to school. Now answer the two questions on the slide. What caused Maria to miss the bus? And what was the effect of Maria forgetting to set her alarm? Pause the video here and complete your answers. Pause the video here to check your answers. When you're ready, press play to continue. Here are the answers. The cause was that Maria forgot to set her alarm. The effect was that she overslept and missed the bus. Nice work. Let's continue to one more. Read this passage with me. Due to the drought, the farmers' crops failed. This led to a shortage of fresh produce at the market, and prices increased significantly. Now answer the two questions on the screen. What caused the shortage of fresh produce at the market? And what was the effect of the farmers' crops failing? Pause the video here and complete your answers. Here are the answers. The cause was that the farmers' crops failed due to the drought. The effect was that there was a shortage of fresh produce and prices increased. Great job finishing all three practice passages. Here are the answers. The cause was that the farmers' crops failed due to the drought. The effect was that there was a shortage of fresh produce and prices increased. Great job finishing all three practice passages. Now, it's your turn. Start working on your practice activities to build your confidence with cause and effect. If you need extra practice pages, check the description below this video for the resources that match this lesson. Thanks for learning with Light Up Literature Curriculum. You've got this!